Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friend, what I am going to tell in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you 6 strange creatures discovered on Mariana Trench. So friend, let's get start our video without any delay. So our first one is deep sea dragonfish. These are the family of fish with especially large teeth for their size. Dragonfish are found at depths between 700 to 6,000 feet. Deep sea dragonfish use bioluminescent photophores along their side to create a reddish light to attract prey and mates. They also have a protruding photophore on their chin, which they use as a fishing pole to entice potential meals. Black sea devil anglerfish. With its strangely shaped body and sharp teeth, this fish definitely counts as a scary inhabitant of the deep ocean. Anglerfish get their name from the bioluminescent lure called an iska, which sticks out from their head and is used to attract prey. Sea devil anglerfish look frightening, but they are not particularly large. The female reaches about 8 inch, while male are only about 1 inch. Thanks to their gaping jaws, they can swallow meals much larger than their own size. And the next one is benthodon jellyfish. The benthodon is a deep water jellyfish with a spectacular alien-like appearance. They are small in size and have an intense red coloration, unlike most jellyfish that are clear. The jellyfish spend their lives swimming deep in the water column, using their thousands of tiny tentacles to move. It is believed that the red bell of their body hides the bioluminescent light from the creatures that the element has eaten. This enables it to keep its camouflage in the dark and remain hidden from prey and predator. And our next one is frilled shark. The frilled shark would definitely frighten you if you came across one on the swim or scuba dive. This strange wide-mouthed eat like shark has been given the name living fossils thanks to their odd appearance, which hasn't changed over millions of years. Shark hunt like snakes and will lunge to capture their prey whole inside their jaw. There are more than 3,000 needle-like teeth inside the scary-looking mouth of the frilled shark that are more than capable of dealing with its diet of a smaller shark, fish, and cephalopods. Strange creature is telescope octopus. The telescope octopus entirely translucent and colorless and is often called the ghost octopus due to the ability to hide in the ocean depths. The octopus gets its name from the unique rotating tubular eyes. The strange looking animal reaches about 8 inches in length, and it spends its time digging in the water column looking for food. And the last one is ping pong tree sponge. This strange looking creature is a carnivorous sponge dotted with hook covered spears that trap its prey. Small crustaceans drift past and stick to the surface of the ball. The meal is then observed inside to be slowly eaten alive. So friends, That's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment and tell us that which ones is the strangest ever discovered on Mariana Trench. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.